Patrick here, answering questions they ask Patrick series. Questions where people ask me questions regarding preparation and I try to answer with the best of my ability. Here the question is that I'm finding difficult to focus for 3 hours in a CAT mock. How do I improve with regards to sleep? The question is by Sachin Kumar. Right? So 3 hours is a long time to improve, a long time to sit. And yes, there are a lot of students who find it difficult. Not only now, you will find it difficult maybe when you go for the actual exam. But it's all the more difficult when you actually start with your preparation because you've never sat for 3 hours for a test, for a long time. And this is a different test where you have to keep on thinking differently at every stretch. Specifically, you start with long RCs, you read, you get tired, and then you find it difficult to focus. Few hints and few tips to go about it. Maybe what you can do is initially, if you find it difficult to sit for entire 3 hours, you can maybe start with maybe giving section test of 1 hour or sit for 1 hour for a test. Anyway, a mock test is of 3 stretch of 1 hours. So do that. Maybe sit for 1 hour at one time, take a break, then come for 1 hour, then take a break, take a 1 initially. Over a period of time, then take 2 hours and then sit. Give 2 sections and then give 1 section later. And then maybe over a period of time, give 3 hours, 3 sections. So maybe you can slowly scale yourself to 3 hours and try to improve. That's one aspect of it. Second, a lot of people get tired because you start with English and there's a lot of reading and people are not used to reading a lot. So automatically that does create that. So one more way to be fresh, maybe once the first section, until the first section is over, is to be able to read a lot. If you make a good reading habit, it not only helps you to comprehend better in your English, but also builds that stamina to help to focus even after reading for 1 hour. And reading definitely helps for logic and mathematics as well, because there also you have to read and you have to understand. So helps. So one definite way of building stamina is reading a lot. With the way the CAT exam is structured, it definitely helps to read and then try to improve as far as possible. Right? So then over a period of time, as when you keep on writing 3 hours test, you will get used to it and you will be able to improve. Yes, there will always be a time where you will be down because paper is not going well, etc. At that point of time, I normally recommend is take a small 15 seconds or 30 seconds gap in between the paper. So you're writing maybe not in the verbal section because that's what we have started, but maybe in the DRL section, maybe specifically in the con section because that is when you come across after you've written 2 hours of the paper and you're tired and saturated and nothing is going in your mind. Take a small 15 to 30 seconds gap, close your eyes, try to meditate, and then read, go about the paper. That will help to rejuvenate you and maybe help you solve better. So try this small trick, see what works for you. And I'm sure you'll be able to improve over a period of time. Hope this helps. Thank you.